Hello everybody! You alright? Yeah? Are you all alright? Yeah? What's that smell? Can you smell that? What is that smell?
Smell, you say? Well, hold that thought, 'cause I've got some smell-based jokes. Here we go. What's tall, yellow, and smells nice? A giraffadil. A giraffadil. What's masked, rides a horse, and smells lovely? The Cologne Ranger. What do you call an unwashed fairy? Stinkerbell. How do you stop a skunk from smelling? You hold his nose. You hold his nose. What's big, grey, and never forgets that he smells? A smellephant. Smellephant. You know, I woke up this morning to find there was a horrible smell on my bedside table. Yes, it's true. You see, my alarm had gone off. My alarm had gone off. Yes, it's another smelly joke. Oh, yes. What do you think of my smelly jokes?
They stink.